In the forestry and woodworking sector, the extraordinary advancement of the world's fastest and most incredible chainsaws operates at a whole new level. These massive chainsaws redefine the speed and efficiency of wood, cutting at an unprecedented scale. Please subscribe to our channel to follow these chainsaws more often. Let's get started. This exceptional chainsaw, renowned for its unparalleled speed and potency, revolutionizes the logging industry by spotlighting cutting-edge technology for swift wood processing, efficient and precise even in cold conditions. The Legend Chainsaw, designed with precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, boasts an impressive length of 105 centimeters. This specialized tool is meticulously crafted for the efficient and effective cutting of substantial logs that are both large and long in size. This ash tree can be dangerous to people below, so they have to cut it down, which is also very difficult. At this speed, it takes less than 5 seconds to cut through an 80-year-old oak branch. With an incredible cutting rate, this chainsaw not only accelerates timber processing, but also minimizes labor requirements, presenting a revolutionary solution for forestry and lumber industries. Witnessing a chainsaw in action is an interesting sight, demonstrating the combination of advanced technology and workers' technique in using the machine. This is a basic tree cutting technique for beginners. It can control the direction of the tree's fall, He just bought this Makita E7900 for $1,500. Let's see how it works. If you find these saws working effectively, please subscribe to our channel to motivate yourself to create more interesting videos. This type of wood has been damaged and is only used for firewood in the winter. To ensure safety when cutting wood, we should wear such protective equipment. In the competitive realm of the woodworking sector, chainsaws have emerged as trailblazers, transforming the industry's perspective on efficiency and productivity. This saw is operating in large wood cutting mode. Its speed is 10,500 revolutions per minute. It can be seen that it has a super fast cutting speed. In cold places, cutting wood and storing firewood are the most important things. Without them, it will be difficult to get through the winter. In the realm of large-scale woodcutting, this chainsaw's remarkable speed establishes the industry benchmark, substantially decreasing processing durations and enhancing overall productivity. With 40 years in the profession, cutting these difficult pieces of wood has become simple. This machine is old and has been operating for 7 years, but its effectiveness is still very good. He is cutting a beautiful piece of wood at a classic logging exhibition, which requires a very high level of technique from the cutter. As we witness the incredible capabilities of the world's fastest chainsaws, their impact on the forestry industry is undeniable, heralding a new era in efficiency and sustainability. Turn wood. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support me